Hello yarn friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy and very cute hair scrunchie. Now there are these really cute adorable little loops here. I feel like this is a little bit more unique. I haven't seen a ton of these online and they're really easy to make. If you have not yet done so, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump into the materials that we will be needing for today's adorable little hair scrunchie. Materials for today's video are pretty easy. You just want some yarn, either a 3-weight or a light 4-weight. This is actually a 4-weight fuzzy yarn. It's from, I think it's the Snuggle Bee line from Hobby Lobby. You will want a D 3.125 or just a D crochet hook, a hair scrunchie, and then you don't have to have these, but I like to have some stitch markers. I have 4 of them. You can do 4 or 8. Let's jump into today's tutorial. Now to begin, we simply start with a slip knot. We are going to go ahead and put that onto our hook, and then grab our hair scrunchie, and we're gonna go and just do a slip knot. So this one is going to be a little hard. I like to grab it right here and then we pull it through like that. Once you are attached to your scrunchie, go ahead and chain up 7. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now going back into our loop, you can choose to work over your tail if you'd like. We are just going to make a single crochet, just like that. Now we're going to chain up 7 again. Oops, not with our tail. 3, oops, sorry, that's the timer. 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we are going to go ahead and make a single crochet again back into our hair scrunchie. And then that's it, guys. That's the pattern for this scrunchie. They'll be spaced out, and as we do more, we'll just kind of squeeze these together. Now, after every 20, I like to put a stitch marker. Now, you can just wing it until you feel like it's full enough, but for me, I'm going to do about 80 of them, so I'll just keep track with these little markers here. This is what it looks like once you're about halfway done. You make sure you push your loops together. I'm here at my 40th, and I think I can probably fit another 20 in here, because again, you want to make sure that you're pulling these, because remember, our hair scrunchies stretch. So kind of stretch it and pull it, and then just continue working until you feel that you have the appropriate amount, and we will finish off together here in just a moment. Okay, so now I feel like I have done enough. I did closer to 90, and now I did a single crochet. I'm just going to do a slip stitch in there as well, and then we are going to slip stitch into this first little space. So the first loop that we made, we want to make sure that we're joining, so we're going to slip stitch there, and then we're going to make another slip stitch, and at this point we can go ahead, leave a bit of a tail, and cut your work. I sometimes like to chain up too when I finish my work, just because it makes it a really strong double knot, and in this case I'm gonna do that. Okay, and then from here you just sew in your ends, and then you are all done. You have this really adorable hair scrunchie, and it has all these really super cute loops. If you guys liked today's video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you thought, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys all next time here on Dream9 Design's Yarn Corner of YouTube.